Hey everybody, just wanted to say Happy New Year, and I am so excited about 2020. I have a lot of cool new goals, and I'm sure you do as well. And one of those goals is to revamp my VFX Central YouTube channel, my courses, everything, start consolidating everything onto one website, and start creating content that is catered more to your goals and the things that you need. So I have a huge favor to ask in order to hit my goal. I need you guys to help me out. And that is going to be filling out that Google survey down below. That would be incredibly helpful. So in the survey, there's going to be more than a couple questions, but it's going to ask you about yourself, about how you got into visual effects or motion graphics, what type of software you use, and the type of courses that you would like to see. Filling out this form is really going to help me start creating content in 2020 that is going to end up helping you. So again, please fill out that form. It would mean the world to me. And again, guys, thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. I've been kind of out of it, and it's been awesome to see all the support that I still get, even though I haven't been around as much. So thank you guys for support, everything else you guys do, and we'll see you guys in the next video.